Hey guys, if you have a safe that keeps beeping, something like this, usually means the battery is about to die. Turn this housing counterclockwise. The battery is located right here for this safe. Change that out. But the issue I had with mine is after I changed my battery, it still kept beeping. But give it about 5 minutes, it will stop beeping. I couldn't find anything on the internet on this, but yeah, just be patient, give it a few minutes, about 5 minutes. It will stop beeping and start working again.